Assalomu alaykum tasodifiy tomoshabin hamda kanal a'zolari. Sizlar bilan yana elektrotehnika kanali. Bu galgi videomizda uy sharoitida gantel yasab korsatib beramiz. Siz bunday gantellarni fitness do'konlaridan yoki internet magazinlaridan zakaz qilib sotib olishingiz mumkin. Lekin ayni damda COVID-19 koronavirus sababli ko'chaga chiqish mumkin emas va chegaralar yopilgan. Ko'chaga chiqqan taqdiringizda ham fitness do'konlari ishlamayapti. Shuning uchun bu galgi videomizda uy sharoitida osongina gantel yasab ko'rsatib beramiz.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday. Your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights.
Mana ko'rib turganingizdek gantelimiz ham tayyor bo'ldi. Agar video yoqqan bo'lsa like bosishni unutmang va kanalga mehmon bo'lsangiz podpisatsiya tugmachasini ham bosib qo'yishni unutmang. E'tiboringiz uchun katta rahmat. Bundan keyingi videolarda ko'rishguncha xayr.